Hi, my name is Mike Jenton, the superintendent here at Jenkins Independent. I just wanted to talk to you all a little bit today about our construction that's going on up here at our school buildings. We're doing a $2.1 million facility upgrade. Our goal is to make our facilities safer, number one, and then number two, we want to update them a little bit, make them look a little more modern and a little more attractive for our students, staff, and our community. There's been a little bit of rumors going around that somehow this is going to raise your taxes. So I wanted to kind of address that. If you go to the sfcc.ky.gov webpage, this is the School Facilities Construction Commission, and this tells you everything you need to know about this process. And if you go to funding and pull down and scroll down to where it says SFCC, click that, and it will take you to the regular construction offers of assistance, eligibility requirements, all that kind of stuff. Basically, we get offers every year from the state of Kentucky to use for construction, and you can bank those offers. I think it's 3 or 5 years, and you can put those offers all in one and use those to for building projects. So and then you use that to bond money. Basically, we had a bonding capacity of almost 4 million, but we only went and bonded 2.1. But our offers of assistance will help us cover the cost of that bond payment. So this building update will in no way affect your local tax rate. Last year your tax rate was 87. This year it was 84, so it actually went down 0.3 of a point. So this building this building update will not affect your local tax rate in any way, shape, or form. Our board is very cognizant of the community, and we want to try and do everything that we can to make paying taxes here in Jenkins as easy as possible. And we understand that there's only so much money to go around, and so we're going to do everything we can to continue to keep our tax rate going in the right direction, which is lower if possible. But I just wanted to address the rumor going around that somehow this new building project would somehow affect your local tax rate. That is not true. This money is coming from the School Facilities Construction Commission, and here's all the information that you need. You can read everything about it. There's all kinds of information. You can talk. It talks about bonds. Talks about education technology. That's another part of it. But you can find all the information that you would like to know about how this project will be happening here this summer. So just wanted to clear that up. Thank you.